Hello, it is Maisha from Silla Art Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to take one sheet of 12 by 12 paper and turn it into these little booklets that you can use in your junk journals or as mini albums or brag books or whatever you like to use them for. You are going to need one sheet of 12 by 12 paper, some PVA glue. I'm using Barely Art glue this time. A pair of scissors. You will not need a scoreboard, but you will need a bone folder. Or you can use the handle of your scissors, whichever you prefer. Okay, so you want to take the 12 by 12 sheet of paper, turn it upside down. Sorry about that. And fold it right over left so that it is 6 by 12. Okay. Then right over left, fold it again so that you have a 6 by 6 square. Okay. Right over left again, fold it so that you have a 3 by 6 rectangle. I do find that it helps if you start from the center and go out to the sides when you're smoothing things out. Okay, then open it up all the way. Now that it's opened this way, you want to take it right and fold it over the left side so that now the fold line is in the middle. Then you want to take your scissors and you want to cut along the fold line up to the other fold line. So don't cross over this fold line. I will show you. Try to cut as evenly as you can. Okay, like that. Then open it back up. Fold it back the way it was folded before. You should notice that one side is pointing away from you and one side is pointing towards you. You want to squeeze the two sides together like this so that it folds and it forms the 4 pages. Okay, then it's up to you how you want to do this part. I like to put it so that the open side is up. That way I can make pockets out of the top. But you can also put it so that 2 of the top is closed. It's up to you. I like it this way. So I'm going to start gluing the sides closed and leaving the top open so I can use it as pockets. Okay. Just going to glue along the edge here. And line it up as best as I can. Okay. And the next opening is down here at the bottom. We'll put some glue down there. Oops. And that looks like it was cut uneven. So I'm just going to straighten it up. Okay. Okay, the next opening is here along the side. And then the next opening is there at the bottom. You could have glued from this side all the way to this side, but I don't typically do that. I'll show you in one of the other ones. Okay. Where are you, bone folder? And yeah. Okay. Now your booklet is made. Let's try making it one more time. Okay, you take your pattern paper, 12 by 12, upside down. Now, if it was directional, this is where you would decide whether or not you want it facing this way or you want to flip it and fold it this way. My paper is non-directional, so it doesn't matter which way I fold it. Let's use this example instead because it has those arrows that either when I make the book, I either want the arrows pointing down, up and down, or I can make the book so that the arrows go left and right. I hope that makes sense. And I think I want the arrows to go left and right. So okay. Then left, right over left again. So that it's a 6 by 6 square. Okay. Right over left again. So that it is a 3 by 6 rectangle. Make sure you crease it as good as you can so that you get the folded in there. Open it up all the way. so that the middle, the fold is parallel to you. Turn it and fold it. Nope, did that the wrong way. Fold it this way so that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles and one straight fold in the middle. You're going to cut up to that center mark there, right on the fold line. Okay, then open it back up. Push the two sides towards each other. And go ahead and flatten it out. Again, you take it and you push the two sides in towards each other. And then you just let the book flatten out the way it's going to flatten and fold it up. Don't worry about the sides not lining up when you fold it. You can line it up when you glue it. So when you go to glue this edge closed, line up the ends so that that gap won't be there because they'll be glued shut. I hope that makes sense. Then you put glue down here at the bottom. Close the bottom. I don't know why. Sorry guys. Really should have protected my surface first. Don't know what I was thinking. Okay, now we have 2 done. They're pretty addictive once you start making them. And then what I've done is I've cut down some cardstock, just plain white 65-pound cardstock. I cut it down to 2.5 by 6. You can use scrap if you have it. And just, you know, slide it in there. Probably have to cut it down more than 2.5. I mean, more than 6. But you get the idea. It offers additional places that you can write. You can punch a hole, a half circle in here to make it easy to pull this out to write on it. And you can decorate this however you like based on the journal that you're going to put it into. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.